I start by seasoning 400 grams of chicken hearts with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a drizzle of olive oil, and the juice of half a lemon. If you don't have an air fryer, you can make it in a regular oven without any problem. It might take a little longer depending on the appliance you have at home, but it works just the same. 1 chopped garlic clove and half a teaspoon of salt. It's best to preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees for 10 minutes, then you put the chicken hearts in and set it for half an hour. These chicken hearts taste even better if you season them a day before. So if you have time, let them marinate for 24 hours so they absorb a lot of flavor. If you're short on time, marinate them for at least 3 hours for great flavor. Halfway through the cooking time, which is about 15 minutes in, flip them over so they brown evenly, and then they're ready.